Hi there, I'm Scott Gell from the Web Page Test team, and this is Lightning Fast Web Performance. I wanted to start by thanking you for taking this course. I originally developed these learning materials as a workshop that I gave to groups in person, and then I later adapted it to an online course, so I was able to offer it to a wider audience. Recently, Catchpoint acquired this course to update it and offer it as part of their online training materials, which is how you're viewing it for free right now. It's my hope that through this course, you'll gain a well-rounded understanding of web performance concepts that you can take back to your team and improve the performance and resilience of sites that you're working on today, or be able to start that new project with solid fundamentals and practices that'll give you a great user experience moving forward. I'll start with a little introduction about me, your instructor. I've been building websites for more than 20 years, and through much of that time, I've been a sort of front-end designer / developer. I worked for most of my career with the folks at Filament Group, building sites for a range of clients, large and small. Clients like Vineyard Vines, Lego, and the Boston Globe, and I was also on the jQuery team since the early days of that project. I love to stay involved in the community by sharing what I learned by blogging, writing books such as Responsible Responsive Design for a Book Apart, and speaking at conferences around the world throughout the year. Recently, I joined Catchpoint to work full-time on Web Page Test, which is one of my favorite performance tools and, in my opinion, one of the best. Web Page Test will be one of many tools that I'll use throughout this course. So let's look at the agenda, shall we? I'll start by talking about why performance matters to users and businesses, and share examples of how performance impacts their goals. Then I'll move on to discuss how to effectively think about performance by introducing the key moments that impact the perceived user experience, and what can cause each of those moments to be slow. After we understand the metrics to measure, we'll look at how we use tools to analyze page delivery and find bottlenecks, and also how to monitor ongoing performance to alert us if performance regresses. From there, we'll move on to fixes and best practices. This is when we learn the practices and patterns that actually make our pages load faster, consume less bandwidth, remain resilient for returning visitors, and set ourselves up generally to avoid bottlenecks before they happen in the first place. At the end, I'll summarize all that we've learned so you'll have it fresh on your mind to take back to your projects. All right, now that we know where we're headed, let's get started.